Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day because I'm kind of late on this, but I've been late on everything lately because of everything that's been going on. The quarantine, me working on Sundays, and my Boxycharm just came late, so... my Boxycharm's always late. I don't know if I'm going to continue with this. I think I'll give it another month and see, because this box, I don't know. We'll just see how it is. And if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Ring my bell. And if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So yeah, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You can get 5 full-size items that are worth, I guess, what, $100 to $125. And this is my March's Boxycharm. I don't know how I feel about it yet because I haven't been able to play with anything yet. Here's the box for the month. It says hello charmers, as it always does. Here's everything I got in it. This box didn't come with a little pamphlet like it usually did, so I don't know what to say. But anyways, the first item I got was this shimmer pressed eyeshadow palette. I was kind of excited about it because I did see spoilers. I did see other people that got it. So I thought it was kind of pretty. The colors in it are very, very pretty. I would say that, okay, this is a plus. But I have to try it out to see how it performs. So, and there was no prices on anything, so I'm going to have to find the prices and list them below for you guys. So that was this shimmer pressed eyeshadow palette, and it looks like it is cruelty free, so that's really good. The next item I got was a Chella tweezer, kind of a cool tweezer. Looks like it's really good, probably like for traveling. It's a good size. I always like to have tweezers. That's something you always need to have. So this is the tweezer. This is what it looks like. Come on, focus. And it says Chella on it. Comes with a little package here. And again, there's no price on it, so I don't know how much it retails for. The next item I got was this Becca Glow Gloss. It's in the color Chocolate Geode. It's a really pretty color. It's a really, really nice chocolatey color. I'm gonna do a swatch for you guys. Oh, it smells like a little bit like mint chocolate chip. There's the color there. Pretty color. It looks good on my skin tone. I can do that. The next item is this QMS liquid or lip line corrector. QMS Medi-Cosmetic Lip Line Corrector. So it's supposed to hydrate and plump your lips before you put your... So it's a lightweight serum to hydrate and plump your lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. My lips need that. I was thinking about getting fillers, but I don't know. Do I want to do that? I don't know. And the last item is this Kat Von D signature eyebrow pencil in the color Graphite. So Kat Von D recently she gave up her company. It's still Kat Von D, but it's not under her. Like, she's not the owner anymore of it. She just got tired of the industry. This is the color here. It's not really noticeable. I'm sorry I swiped it, or I swatched it. I could have given this away in a giveaway. I don't know if I'll use this. If not, if anybody does want it, I will throw it in a giveaway and give it away to somebody. So those are all the items I got. I'll go over them again. I got this Boxycharm pressed eyeshadow palette. Here's all the colors. The colors in this is very pretty. Got this tweezer, Chella tweezer, no price, so I don't know how much it retails for. The Becca Glow Gloss and Chocolate Geode. QMS Medi-Cosmetics Lip Serum, Lip Plumper, and this KVD Signature Brow Pencil and Graphite. That's everything I got in this Boxycharm. I'm kind of halfway underwhelmed. I don't know if this Boxycharm thing is worth it. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to just see for the next month, and if not, I might cancel and try another box or try something else. You know, I kind of miss my Medusa's makeup. I might go back to them. I don't know. tell me what you guys think of this box. Leave a comment in the comments below. Let me know, because let me know what you got. Are you guys underwhelmed, overwhelmed, whatever with this Boxycharm? I mean, I know people love that Boxycharm, but I think I keep getting crap at every one. This is my third one, and I'm not very happy with it. Well, that's it for now. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and I'll see all you birdies later. Bye, everybody.